Oh, what an interesting discovery you have made, small child. You have discovered that in order to increase the area by a scale factor of 2, you needed 4 blocks.
I thought of another cool trick. Are you watching? Are you watching now? What about now? Yeah? I found a triangle. And I'll stick it on my sticky board. Look, there's a triangle. And guess what? I bet I can make that one bigger too. It's true. So, last time with our squares, we made it twice as big with 4 squares. Four triangles works too. Wow. I wonder if I can make it bigger again. I think I want to make it 3 triangles across. Yeah. Okay, so there's 4 triangles. So that's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. And that's 9. I made a bigger triangle out of 9 little triangles. Shapes are the best.
So, for those of you just tuning in, what little baby me just discovered was that in order to increase it by a scale factor of 2, we had to use 4 blocks. But to increase it by a scale factor of 3, we had to use 9 blocks. And if we were to increase it by a scale factor of 4, then that would have to be 16 blocks. And there's a serious pattern there. There we're seeing that the area is increased not by the scale factor, but by the square of the scale factor. So if we continue with what we were doing with our scale factor, with our blocks and our triangles, and we know that we have to multiply the original area by the scale factor squared, we have everything that we need to know here in order to fill in this chart. So if our original is 36, then we are going to multiply 36 by 2 squared. So 36 times 4. And that gives me 144 units squared for a scale factor of 2. All right, for my scale factor of 3, that would be 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. So I would say 36 times 9. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32. Gives me 324 units squared. My scale factor is 5. Then my area would increase by 5 squared. So 36 times 25. Don't forget that placeholder 0 when you multiply, guys. So that would be 900 units squared. Do you guys see that, like, as we increase by the scale factor, this thing gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and it gets a lot like larger than you would think. But let's work backwards. So I have 1/2 as my scale factor. So now we know it's going to get smaller. So to find the area, you do times 1/2 squared. So 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. Now I'm going to do 36 times 1/4. And I don't know if you guys have seen this trick before, but I know that 4 can go into 36 9 times. So I mark them out and I simplify before I solve. So then that gives me 9 as my area here. Okay, then 2/3. So 2/3 times 2/3 equals 4 ninths times 36 over 1. Same trick applies here, right? So I have 1 can go into that 9 times. Just kidding. It can go into that 4 times. Y'all math teachers make mistakes. It's true. So then 4 times 4 equals 16. So then that's 16 units squared. So there you have it. That's the recap of what we covered in class today. I think I did a better job explaining it on the video than I probably did during class. If you have any questions, you guys know how to get me. You can get me Google Hangouts, email. Everybody's parents has my number, so please text me. If you need help, let me know because that's what I'm here for.